Hey young hackers, ready to sneak into the spookiest party of the year? Today we are solving the real capture the flag challenge called SpookyPass. It's beginner friendly reversing challenge and don't worry, it's not really scary. The goal? Find the secret password hidden inside a program and get past the ghost gatekeepers. Let's imagine you're given a file named pass. When you open it says before we let you in. Before we let you in, you need to give us the password. But we don't know the password. So what we do? Smart hackers use a magical tool called string. When we run strings./pass, it says secret password. That's a spooky secret password. When we enter the password, the program says welcome inside. Congrats! You just completed your first reverse engineering challenge. What did we learn today? How to explore binary strings using strings. How to explore binary files using strings. How to discover hidden files. How to discover hidden clues, and how to think like a real cybersecurity data. Want more CTF adventures? Subscribe and join our hacker teams. Until next time, stay spooky and stay secure.